Governor Mamasana de Chale Au Kruyore, Mamasadi Chapayaraga. Try to buy Bedo, Masaki, Maharaji Mengi, Matau Karimata Late, CD insist Oraga, doing the problem trade Towning away and Bukum. This is a very unfortunate and very immature and inhuman act. This is very hopeful, you know. Adum was Adu Atato, Masi, Home Minister, Prime Minister, and a very young lady no. I see directly constitutional challenge opening. Manipur state, I would say, it's a part of India. And it is already in the constitution of India. Then other constitution the Yabo Pot Amado Heta, Chipayaman, Iran Toro have to do, Roto have to do, remove Toro, Deloitte, in what authority? I said India, Akagi, democracy have to go down the city democracy nation, Natriaba, Lengan Natriaba. Minor media sing Shirley the festival the cover of Chapukanda, Yangapopi the Lanthoroga, Quanta be Hyber Labor, Maharajiman Labor Mapunduda, Manipur Hyber Iras Toro, Rotokro, Hybagi. Shibai sing other the Maharajiman high episode, Moigi right, Moigi Matauka isulated. The Moi Tabanate, Shigumba, Adu Togunu, Adu Chakunu Chalo Hirasu, Miss Magistrately. Or Magistrate Impaliski, Ukrugi Magistrately, Magistrate through the order Piraga, a Toga of a potney. Other Hoji acquainted money, acquaint India Zeta, Manipur, a lady was a literacy one year, low later buggy lepacum the wakre. City, Sena Hibata military rule Gigo, Adukumba, one army type of later. Karimba regiment do not think I should order Amahana, Tokatavan. Magistrate order Ama, Adumina Hyper, the order Gimatungina, Shibai Singer, execute of the Chumi.
Was out the Manung Taza, but the seeking a sea MST Manipur Thagno, having orders Manipur security advisor and a peak. No,
Adu official Oide, Adu Peter so Mana is not the right person. Mana Pig the Banate. And I hate magistrate. Magistrate is a DC nearby. District magistrate Toka the Banaba. Advisor Kultip Sina Mana, she people Magi, right Matokrisu Lake. In case, Mana, people are so pepper the flask of the advance the pig of it. Without the Migi Chatpata, the minor, Taboya Roy High City, Ma officer Ama, IPS, the officer retired Oresu, Aduga Mahari Jimen Hariba, Central Security Forces, Karimata Kandre, City, Moina, Manipur, the Iran Tohun Benes, Hibiare. Adu say, Kuki Oiramo, Nasai Gultip Singh, Adum Leramo, Paraga, Karinoma, Toro, the Iran Toromgani. Amarom, the Quay, Yelhomi, my days in Yamarom, the Yamna, Amupaya, Boko. Adum say, Sena Hibada. Kultip Singh in the Toribado, Kuki give Mayok the Toramba, I the highest in the Kuki give woman Mara by Bising said, My yum the Lara from the Iram Torangani. I don't get a Latin with the Joyce Masidi, Saiki, Chiruli Festival, the governor Suchak, Garimayam Suchal Aduga, Manipur transport department vehicle bus Hybatare, Adu the Manipur and the Tabado, Adukal, Adulo Toa point to Karino, Aduna Kari, Maramdi, Chiki, Lambida. Security Matik Chana, quite Tambiri, this in order totally, Tankunaga long, the Pajana, Yangsali, Tankuki, villages in a quite volunteer Tamdana Tokli. My time I am Jolly City, Bikey Karinoma, Tobo, I am Jolly City. Aduga, why? Masiki Kaino do the domain of Tobo Hype City, Masi Iran say, Mohina Sakating Bagi, Police Tobo Mong the Yaukre.
Was that why Damakang Panzo, Kankupi, National Highway in Dimapur Road, the MST bus Mai Thagi Bagi, free movement, the Adui Numit to the Maya Thagi was like Aduna, Kankupi side ki situation ze Ukrul gi side ki the situation that Main Changdam Narga Purapayabra. Is it possible? Adon the
Tankul Singa, Akanba order lay, Pajana Yangsale, problems to Totoro currently 100% pige. Karishu talk take a ship over the Hojisu Charlie, Karishu talked about later about information later, but do the why Guldeep Singh advisor security na Mahari Jimena Sito, no I say, Masi conspiracy, a chocolate lady behind the screen. I don't know hiding with the Mayam Sutasunu. This is a purely a breach committed by the security forces on the constitutional existence of the state Manipur, of the state of Manipur. The state government or home ministry should initiate an inquiry into the matter immediately. Aduga India ki constitution article 19(1) da India ki mafam khuti makta loina mak India ki constitution singse citizens singse free movement chapaya have lay aduga media have sisu amu tongan ba ma lay ba wherever any problem there is media se exempt away media can go everywhere aduga article 19(1) ki kaino da India ki constitution da khagi India ki movement, every citizen of India has the right to travel or move in any part of India. Mahari regiment, that is this only one regiment. But okay, central government ki makha da thamba ne aba. Adu di ngasi peace kitang pura khre hai base mami tare aduga ngasai ki festival Siroi festival tori basina akoi peaceful coexistence da hena kangkhalani hena masi ki peaceful ki ngasi ki festival si ki message na Manipur da peace lakpa oirasno hai da mayam se tawna expectation na ma tawba vested person khara na thukai ningai tawr thukai bu ngamda na akoi na lakpo pot ne ba adu ngasi certainly yamna unexpected kaino matam da Maharajime na sumai na tawraga hojik ki image mayam thi halle ba ko hojik ki Manipur yango masi na problem ma mo hele Siroi festival spoil taw halle mapani ki lakadaba hayeng yawrakadaba hanchi lakadaba I brought the national level the lakadaba mayam se ngasi ki accident sin na maram oiraga loina ma image se my thi take spoil oi thokre
Oja marak than ama ka haijau Oja adudi suppose akoina reliable source ei phangba pawi matung ina security advisor order se thokpani haiba targadi governor zu asigi order sigi awareness knowledge leram gadra
adune male pham thoi adune ai ding se Twitter de ire prime minister go home minister immediately governor chief secretary DGP se khutak tak si remove tawga da bani khutak tak se remove tawga da bani makhoi kari gi lepham thok da ba lei roi da ba in case leram da tari moi responsible ne adu di governor gi mathak ta security advisor le ra ha ba question lakni ba ko adu ma si phonaram gani do governor ma sa na di chale au khru yaure ma sa di chap ya ra ka swai tawba hai ba do adu masai gi Maharajime gi mathau kari mata leite sidi insist tawraga doing ba problem create ama tawningai oi male adu aina khan ba di hojik peace Manipur da peace lakradi government amu leirani adu erdi moi gi sen tampham leitara moi di chair da pham ro ra ha gi amaka hojik Kuldeep Singh security advisor ana pham laga mana ni thau erga leya Manipur da ko cha adum ni thau erga leya ba adu masi peace lakradi ma se sida Manipur da su leiroi tolok su phangla roi se facility phangla roi ha gi pakhat pa china ba mo da se makhat khechan ba kumna taw this is a very unfortunate and very immature and inhuman act this is very hopeful you know adum ba sida hojik adu ada to masi home minister prime minister na very yeng lag leiri no asidi directly constitutional da challenge tawni Manipur state I say it's a part of India and it is already in the constitution of India then aduguma constitution yaw bot amado heta sipai amana erase toro haibadu de lotho haibadu de remove toro diloi toro haibde in what authority asidi India da akhoi democracy haibdu kadai da chakre asidi democracy nation natriya ba lengang natriya ba so asidi akhoi law leitere democracy leitere army na Assam rifle na sipai na kadai da law pai haibu leibran whether he is a commander brigade or whatever is not bigger than the constitution they all you know the top officers and the lowest level as under the constitution or article the mo apel lady bukhat ne but prime minister for the constitution the man chaw deal even president of India for the constitution the top ya do po to ma to ya like the why this such hopeless Maharajime how can they you know say like this city Manipur prajan para pi be are the day itself ai hai ya ko adu akhari mi je adum phamamba gumna tawasi ngasi di Manipur yamna wana leba khra pharakre na khoina hona ba mayam se ngasi gi Maharajime advisor sina hairo matung ina asina hojiki Manipur sa inaw iran thong tawre adu ga Siroi yam phajaba yamna unique oiba adu ga tangkhul sing phajana silaga masidi gi akhoi nungsi chamna se leba punumak se moina thukai re adu na sidi according to the law go phatak the book taw da bani maha apaki security advisor khutak da ma moro ground design taw da bani basi taw da ba taradi mayam changlaga para piba matam oira bani aduna akhoi mi se ki kaman uche ki makhon da su hadong gi machi da su o ki machi tirag le radi sha ya roi oi mara sida army oigra samre nomai pai gara par oigra moi mi laga mani akhoi population mi lakh kun tra kun hen le loi da thola le ne mangat me la na thangda da matam yaure Bangladesh da top do hoji Manipur da madu gi election piba matam yaure because akhoi peace pame moina mo market khejale edu ko moina khana hale edu ko moina thantai na bu sadani amu market khejale ko no actually in fact mai take a cookie gi marak ta karimata leite naga ka cookie gi naga ka mai te marak amarom da leite but who insists sida marak ta amal leba madu sing to thido ba bane ado security process is also one of the main part you know city to pom yam sa
thank you
city thodok city ko the whole Manipur akhoi leiri mayam sin condemn tawraga para pi badi habra haina le natradi adudi hojik Manipur ha sa adu the lothoi le ta lothokradi adudi mayam chahi kaya khoina ngang na tawdana protect government leiraga thawai hachang ya ka khibu do kadai da chakre
thank you Oja
Makha tarkpada social media ki maru ba ipa amani tang mayam da share tawzage Lisipriya ka uzam na maha ki Facebook ki post asumna thamlakle Dear Narendra Modi ji and Amit Shah ji erasing the Manipur state name for security reason is like surrendering of government of India to the Kuki militants I feel we joined the wrong nation haiduna asumna maha ki Facebook ki post amada asumna thamlakle Makha tarakpa update ta handak Indo Myanmar border oiriba Sandel gi mafam amada thomdat khiba kuki militant tara adu khomjillaga tayar toruk mai thadana manghan khre hairi